Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube in a second. So here's how you get. So first you grab your scrambled Rubik's Cube and solve it really fast. But how do you do this? So it's easy. First scramble it. So here's how I scramble it. First you solve Rubik's Cube, and then you try to slide it while you're scrambling it. So then it'll look something like that. If you practice this a lot, then it could look like you're solving it really fast. So you could do it like this. Or you could grab a bigger Rubik's Cube and then put it next to it and scramble it and then slide it like that. So then you could grab an even bigger one, like a 5 by 5. So now you want to solve it like as fast as I did. Then scramble it, and you could also, it may look like you just slide it like that to solve it, but the actuality is you solved it really fast. And here's some more tricks. If you grab a triangle Rubik's Cube and get it next to your scrambled one, you want to solve it right next to it and get all the colors matching up like that. And then you want to get this one and grab a different one, which is a 2 by 2. Make sure it's not the right way. Make sure it's the way on the scrambled side. And then you want to grab the scramble one and just scramble it. Then if you do this, it looks like it's matching. And just turn off all the colors. And then if you get your scrambled one and then get it like this, and wait until the video is till 3 minutes, and then it's like that. And here's another one you could do. If you grab another 3 by 3 and get it whatever side you want, and then you get it onto this side, then solve it. You might think it's because of the color lighting up. That's it. And then if you grab another one, then it's like this one, and put it next to this one, it will look like you just scrambled it. And if you practice it a lot, it could look like it's magic. Like that. And that's all. Bye, guys.